Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to start the last chapter of the Unit 5, that is digital presentation. And before starting my video, I request again and again to all my students, please send me your notebook work as a PDF on my WhatsApp. It's my request to all my dear students for sending their work. Okay, now let's come with me. We are starting the last chapter of the Unit 5, that is working with the slide master. Firstly, what is the slide? First, which topics we will cover in this video, that is the slide master. What is the slide master and what is the purpose of the slide master? Next, in slide master, we will cover up two topics, that are the slide title placeholder. स्लाइड्स में जो भी टाइटल वाली हेडिंग है वो क्या है? स्लाइड टाइटल प्लेस होल्डर क्या है? दैट इज द डैश रेक्टेंगुलर ग्रुप इन विच यू कैन इंसर्ट एनी इमेज, यू कैन इंसर्ट एनी टेक्स्ट, यू कैन राइट एनीथिंग इन योर स्लाइड्स बाय यूजिंग दिस प्लेस होल्डर. तो व्हाट आर द स्लाइड टाइटल प्लेस होल्डर? Next, what about the body text placeholder, in which we can insert any text that place, and main body in which we are inserting the title of the slides, that is known as the slide title placeholder. And next is the in which we are inserting the text, that is the body text placeholder. I will cover up these two topics also in my practical session, so don't worry about this. Next is creating a custom layout. कस्टम लेआउट मीन्स एक तो हम स्लाइड मास्टर के थ्रू एक लेआउट तैयार करेंगे, जैसे व्हाट इज़ द मास्टर या हु इज़ द टीचर, दैट इज़ द हेड इन योर क्लास, एंड यू ऑल विल फॉलो व्हाट द टीचर इज़ डूइंग. व्हाट द टीचर विल टीच यू, दैट you will copy. Same thing in the slide presentation. Presentation is a combination of the number of the slides, and between this number of the slide, one slide is called the slide master, that is the master of all the slides. What setting we will do in the slide master, that setting will automatically be followed by all the slides. You can change any font size, you can change the color of the font, you can change the design of the slide. If you will do all these changes in the slide master, then all changes will automatically be in your all the slides. So that is the purpose of the slide master that we will use in my that we will cover up in my today's video. Next, after completing these three topics, we will move to the next topic, that is creating a custom layout. एक तो layout one layout we have covered out by the slide master, and the second layout we will cover up by creating your own layout. We will change some layouts we will customize the layout of the slide master, and we will save it for using in the future for the future purpose. Next is changing the color scheme. That is how you can change the color scheme of the slides. Next is there is the various options by which you can change the color scheme of the slides. Next is which steps you will follow to change the background color of the slides. By using this, you can change the background color of the slides, and what steps you have to follow for changing the background color, that we will cover up in our practical session. Next is how we can add the transition effects between the various slides, between the slides of our presentations, that make our presentation more attractive. So this is all about the cover that we will try to cover in my today's videos. If some topics are left, that we will cover up in my next video. So let's come with me for the practical session of the Unit 5 digital presentation of the chapter 20, that is working with slide master. Let's come that how we can create the slide master and how we can use slide title placeholder and body text placeholder. Yes, dear students, welcome to the practical sessions of the slide master. In the slide master, I have told you two placeholder. One is the slide title placeholder. This is the first placeholder for the title of the presentation, like this. This is the title placeholder. And we can move the title placeholder anywhere on the slides. And next is the body text placeholder. This is a body text placeholder in which we can write any text, we can insert bullet, we can insert chart, pictures and any more. Now come how we can open the slide master, that will be the master of the all the slides. And if we will change in one master slide, then automatically changes will be in other slides. How you can open the slide master? So firstly we will click on this view tab. As you will click on this view tab, then you will go on the master view group. In the master view group, there is an icon that is the slide master. You have to click on this icon, that is the slide master. Now this is the slide master of all these slides. You can change any slides according to your layout. You can choose any layout by going into the home tab. And if you will change in anything in this master slide, then there will be the changes in all the slides where you will do the changes. For example, firstly I am giving you the example that how you can change the themes of all the slide through the one master slides. How you can change the theme? We will go in this edit theme. In this edit theme, I will click on this theme arrow. When I will click on this theme arrow, it will show you many themes and you can select any theme for your master slide. And that theme will be followed by all the slides. It will automatically change the themes of all the slides under the master slide like this. I am choosing this option. This, any you can choose. I am choosing this option. And you can see here that theme is automatically followed by all the slides under this master slides. And this is the master edit title slides. जो भी मैं ये टाइटल स्लाइड दूंगी वो सभी के अंदर आ जाएगा. टाइटल विल बी शोन इन ऑल द स्लाइड्स. इस तरह आप थीम्स चेंज कर सकते हो. Similarly, we can change the fonts and we can change the font colors. Like here, there are the fonts. It is showing many fonts here. You can choose any font and that will be automatically followed by all the slides because we are changing this font shape in our master slides like this. I am using this. You can see there is a changing in the slides flow, and you can see there is the changes in all the slides according to this. Now again I am going into the master slide. Next, how you can change the colors like this. You can change the color of the text. Now this is change in all the slides. Similarly, you can apply the effects. This is all about this edit themes. In this we can change the themes, we can change the colors, we can change the fonts. And next is we can change the font color also. Like this, we can go in the home tab. Click on this home tab. Firstly, you have to click where you want to type something. Then you choose this shadow option. Your font color, I am changing the font color to green. Now whatever we will write, like this, I am changing its color to gray. You can see that it, in your video it is showing red, but in my PC it is showing the gray color. Which color you will select? I will select the green color now. Selected this and choose this color. You can see this is shown in every slide. This font color is showing in every slide. So by this method you can change the font color, you can change the background, you can change the themes also. Next is how we can apply the header and the footer in this. For this we will go in the insert tab, then go in this text group, go to the header and footer, and from here you can change the, you can apply date and time, header and footer, and then you will apply to all, it will apply to all your slides. So by changing in one this master slides, all the changes will be in these lower slides. Clear? This is our master slide, and these are the slides under this master slides. So this is all about the slide master. I think that is clear to you that what is the slide master. Now next is how we can create a custom layout. Similarly, अगर आप before going to the next creating a custom layout, firstly we have opened the slide master view, and if you want to close this slide master view, then how you can close this slide master view? For this you will go here, that is close group. In this close group it is showing close master view. For this close master view you will cross it, and you can see only one slide it is showing, that is the first blank slide which we have added, and all the master view is gone off. And if you want again this, then again go in this view, then go to the master view, click on this master slide, that is automatically showing here. Clear? Before moving to how to create a custom slide, that topic we will discuss in my next video. The last topic we are covering here, that how we can apply the transition effects to all the slides. When you are going to the slideshow, then how you can apply the transition effects to all the slideshow. How we can open the slideshow? Firstly you will slideshow कैसे करोगे आप? Slide, I have opened the new presentation. In this there are the various slides, like from 1 to 10 slides, and how we can start the slideshow. There is an icon at the top of, there is a tab, that is the slideshow. When I click on this slideshow, then from beginning you can see this is your slide show. This is one slide, second slide, third slide. When one by one slides are showing, and if you want to insert some animations between two and more slides, that will appeal your slideshow, that will make attractive your slideshow, then how you can insert the transition? Firstly I am clicking the escape button, then I will move back to here. Then how I can apply the transition? These are number of the slides, and I want to apply the transition between these slides. Then what is the method to apply the slides between these slides? Firstly we will go on this transition tab, click on this transition tab. It is showing many options: reveal, split, push, random bars, shapes, uncover. I want to apply this uncover transitions to all of the slides. You can apply one transition to all of the slides also, and you can apply different transition to different between different slides also. I am I'm choosing this uncover and apply to, choosing this uncover from right, from top, from bottom, like this. Clear? Now I am applying to all. Transition, it is showing set the transition between all slides in the presentation to be like the transition you have set up for the current slide. That transition will be applied to all the slides. अगर सबको नहीं देनी तो सिर्फ यहीं पर आके क्लिक करके ओके कर दीजिए. I am applying to all. Then I am clicking on this and I'm applying the transition to all of the slides. Apply to all. That is applied to all. Now we are moving to the slideshow. You can see जो हर स्लाइड के ऊपर वही ट्रांजिशन आ रही है जो हमने अप्लाई की थी फ्रॉम बॉटम. ये it is uncovering from the bottom. That transition we have chosen and it is showing to all of your slides clearly. This is the method that how you can apply the transition to all of your slide. So today we have discussed, one is the slide master, how we can create a slide master, and under the slide master how many options we can use, we can choose in the slide master, and that will be applied to all the slides under that slide master. Secondly, we have done that how we can close this slide master view. How we can close the slide master view. And the third thing that we have done today is that how we can apply the transition effects between the number of the slides and between one or two slides. So I think that is clear to you. This was all about for today's video, and in today's video we have discussed these 3 topics, and I think that is very clear to you and you are familiar with all this. Please do the practice of this. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.